Hi everyone. Welcome to Learning English Through History. Here we don't just study English. We live it. Every week you will hear now simple stories in English, full of useful words and phrases. Don't worry if you don't understand everything at once. Just listen, enjoy the story, and learn step by step. Our goal: to help you speak English with confidence, so grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's start this adventure together. Subscribe now and join me on the journey of learning English through history. See you in the next video. Enjoy listening.
Hello, my friends. Today I will tell you a long story about a girl with pink hair. Her name was Lena. This story is not only about fun, music, and dancing. It is also about danger, choices, and courage. Lena was 23 years old. She lived in a big city with tall buildings, busy streets, and bright lights. During the week, her life was simple. She worked in a small office. Every morning she took the bus, typed on her computer, answered emails, and talked to her colleagues. Her pink hair always made her different. People often looked at her on the street. Some smiled, some whispered, but Lena didn't care. She liked being unique. By Friday, Lena was tired. Work was stressful, and she wanted to relax. She wanted music, dancing, and freedom. At 8 p.m., Lena stood in front of her mirror. She put on her black dress and silver earrings. She used red lipstick and eyeliner. She smiled at her reflection. Tonight will be fun. Tonight, I will forget about work. Her phone buzzed. It was her best friend, Mia. Mia, text taxi is waiting. Hurry up. Lena, text coming. Just fixing my hair. She grabbed her bag, put her phone inside, and ran downstairs. The taxi was already there. The club was full of energy. Loud music shook the floor, neon lights flashed in many colors, and people laughed, shouted, and danced. Lena and Mia ordered their first drinks together and went straight to the dance floor. The DJ played their favorite songs. They danced, sang, and enjoyed the moment. For a while, the world felt perfect. After an hour, Mia wanted to keep dancing, but Lena felt thirsty. She went to the bar. There, a man stood next to her. He was tall, with dark hair and sharp eyes. He wore a leather jacket and had a strange smile. Stranger. Hey, you look amazing tonight. Can I buy you a drink? Lena, smiling politely, no, thank you. I will buy my own. Stranger. Come on. Just one drink. Don't worry, I don't bite. Lena, firm voice, I said no. Please leave me alone. The man's smile disappeared for a second. His eyes looked cold. Then he laughed softly and turned away. Lena felt a little nervous. She ordered her drink quickly and returned to Mia. Lena tried to forget the man, but she couldn't. Something about him didn't feel right. While dancing, she noticed him again. This time, he was talking to another girl. The girl looked happy and relaxed. After a few minutes, she accepted a drink from him. Lena's stomach turned. She remembered her friend's words. Never accept drinks from strangers. You never know what could be inside. Lena watched carefully. At first, the girl looked fine, but then her face changed. She looked dizzy. Her body moved slowly, and her eyes looked confused. Lena's heart beat faster. She knew she had to do something. She pushed through the crowd and ran to a security guard near the door. Lena, please. You must help. That girl is not okay. A man gave her a drink. Guard. Where? Show me. The guard followed her. Together they reached the dance floor. Just in time, the guard caught the girl before she fell. Another guard stopped the man, who tried to walk away quickly. People started whispering. The music stopped for a moment. The happy atmosphere turned into silence and fear. The police arrived soon. They searched the man and found dangerous substances in his pocket. They understood he wanted to put drugs in drinks. The girl was taken to the hospital. She was lucky because someone noticed in time. Lena felt shocked but also relieved. She had done the right thing. At 3 a.m., Lena and Mia left the club. The air outside was cold, but it felt good after the hot and noisy dance floor. They walked down the quiet street together. Neon lights shone above them, but the night felt different now. Mia, Lena, you saved her. You were so brave. Lena, softly, I don't know. I was just careful. I only did what anyone should do. Mia, no. Many people saw, but only you reacted. That's real courage. Lena looked up at the sky. The stars were small above the tall buildings. She thought about the girl in the hospital. She hoped the girl would be okay. That night changed Lena. She understood how quickly fun could turn into danger. She promised herself some rules. Always order your own drink. Never leave your drink on the table. Never accept drinks from strangers. Always stay with your friends. Always trust your instincts. Lena also promised to tell her story to others so they could stay safe too. So remember this. Clubs can be exciting, with music, lights, and laughter. But behind the lights, there can also be danger. Like Lena, the girl with pink hair, you must stay careful, brave, and smart. Because sometimes, one decision can save a life. The taxi stopped in front of the club. From the outside, it didn't look very special. A long line of people was waiting near the entrance, and a big sign with colorful letters showed the name of the place, Galaxy. Music was already escaping through the doors. It was loud and full of rhythm. Lena and Mia smiled at each other. Mia, are you ready? Lena, laughing, of course. Let's dance until morning. They entered the building. The air was hot and full of perfume, smoke, and excitement. The sound of the bass made the floor shake. Neon lights in blue, red, and green painted the crowd. Lena felt her heart beat faster. She loved this moment. The moment when the night was just beginning, when everything felt possible. The two friends went directly to the dance floor. The DJ was playing a popular song. People were jumping, moving their arms, and shouting the lyrics. Mia took Lena's hand. Mia, come on, don't just watch. Let's move. Lena laughed and started to dance. Her pink hair moved like fire under the lights. She forgot about the office, about her boss, about the stress of the week. She was just here, in this moment, free. The music changed to another song, even faster. They danced harder, their shoes hitting the floor with the rhythm. After almost 30 minutes, Lena felt thirsty. She touched Mia's arm. Lena, I need something to drink. Do you want to come? Mia, not yet. I love the song. You go, I'll stay here. So Lena walked to the bar alone. The bar was long and shiny. Bottles of many colors stood on the shelves, and the bartender moved quickly, preparing cocktails. Lena waited for her turn. She looked around. The club was even bigger than she thought. There was a VIP area upstairs and a small stage near the back. Then she noticed someone standing next to her. A tall man with dark hair and sharp eyes. He wore a leather jacket and looked confident, almost too confident. He smiled at Lena. Stranger. Hey, beautiful. Can I buy you a drink? Lena's stomach felt strange. The man's voice was smooth, but something about him didn't feel safe. She remembered her mother's words. Be careful when you go out. Not everyone is who they seem. Lena, politely, no, thank you. I will order my own drink. Stranger, come on. It's just one drink. Don't worry. Lena, firm voice, no. Thank you, but no. For a second, the man's smile disappeared. His eyes looked cold. Then he laughed softly. Stranger, okay, as you wish. He turned and walked away. Lena finally ordered her drink, just water with lemon. She wanted to stay awake and safe. When she returned, Mia was still dancing. Mia, what took you so long? Lena, raising her glass, the bar was full. But I'm back. They danced again. The crowd moved like one big wave. The DJ shouted into the microphone, DJ, are you ready for the best night of your life? Everyone screamed. For a moment, Lena felt happy again. But then, as she looked around, she saw something that made her heart stop. Across the dance floor, near the other side of the bar, she saw the same man. The man with the leather jacket. He was not alone now. He was talking to another girl, a girl with long blonde hair and a short red dress. The girl was laughing. The man gave her a drink. She took it and started drinking. Lena froze. She didn't know why, but something felt wrong. Very wrong. Her mind repeated the words of her best friend from years ago. Never accept drinks from strangers. You don't know what could be inside. Lena wanted to believe that everything was okay. Maybe she was just paranoid. Maybe she was imagining danger. But deep in her stomach, she felt the truth. Something bad was happening. At first, the girl looked fine. She laughed, danced, and held her drink. But after a few minutes, her smile disappeared. She touched her head, as if it was heavy. Her body moved more slowly. Her eyes looked empty. The man stood close to her, watching carefully. He didn't look worried. He looked satisfied. Lena's heart beat faster. Lena thinking, no, this is not normal. I must do something. Lena turned to Mia.
Lena, Mia.
Something is wrong. That man gave a drink to that girl. Look. Mia. Confused, are you sure? Maybe she just drank too much.
Lena, no.
It's different. I feel it. Please, trust me. Mia looked again, then nodded slowly.
Mia, okay.
What do we do? Lena, I'll find security. Stay here. Without waiting, Lena moved quickly through the crowd. Her drink almost fell from her hand, but she didn't care. She had only one thought. Help that girl before it's too late.
Great job today. You learn new words and expressions through our story. Remember, the more you listen, the more you understand. Don't forget to subscribe to Learning English Through History and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new story. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it with your friends. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next story. Bye for now.